So last lecture we have seen the syllabus of our course. So today we start the unit number third. Unit number third, matrix. Okay, first unit is successive differentiation. We directly go to the matrix third unit because we just start in online lecture and we familiar with this topic matrices. So that's why we have start the matrix. Hope so. तुम्हाला ह्या टॉपिक मध्ये अडचण येणार नाही. ओके. सो मॅट्रिक्स टोटल किती मार्काला टॉपिक आहे हा? यस
20 marks.
टोटल 20 मार्क्स विथ ऑप्शन. टोटल 20 मार्कला हा टॉपिक आहे. ओके. सो let we start directly. So what do you know about the matrix first of all? One by one. What do you know about the matrix? Tell me. What do you know about the matrix?
Column rows are there.
Column rows are there. Okay. So you say the column rows are there. So these are the some rows and these are the some column. This is the matrix. These are the matrix.
No.
No. Then
No.
you just say that the column and rows are there, na? So these are the. I will just put the some column are there. So some rows are there and some column are there.
Number of rows and columns are
Number of rows and column are
Square matrix.
in square matrix. Okay, okay. Same. Okay. What about the other people, Kinni, Priti?
Sir, it is a rectangular array of numbers.
Yes, okay. It is a rectangular arrangement of number. Just a rectangular arrangement of number. That's the proper word. Yes, it is a arrangement of rows and columns. Yes, but it is a rectangular arrangement. Take a proper arrangement with us. There is no need to either it is a row and column are same or different. Okay, there is not a condition for the matrix. Okay, any either it is a m equal to n or m not equal to n. So both are a matrix. Okay, rectangular arrangement of rows and column. So okay, very good. Then tell me, what is the application of this matrix? Where this matrix are used? Application.
To solve any complicated equation.
To form a?
To solve any complicated equation.
Okay, to solve any complicated equation. Okay, very good, Ritesh. To solve any.
To find the area of triangle.
Find area of a triangle. Very good. You just still.
To find road with minimum traffic.
Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, solve equation, area and road with minimum traffic. That we had discussed in last couple of weeks. Okay, last week we had discussed all these things. Rather than this, you know the matrix, application of this matrix. Rather than this application we have discussed in last few lecture. But rather than this, that we know. Tell me one by one application. तुम्हाला कुठले application माहिती आहेत की तुम्ही ते सांगू शकतात?
Plotting graphs, statistics.
Okay, very good. Plotting graph. Okay.
And then in computer language also.
In computer language also. Okay, very good. I think we have discussed that topic in. Okay. Then anything else?
Useful in economics.
Okay, economics, very good. Any data in the format rows and column, any data in the form of table, we can express in matrix form. Any data in the form of table, we can express in terms of matrix form. This is the first application, a very simple application. Then as we discussed our how to find area by is determined, then finding road with minimum traffic. Then Kenny says that we have find we use in also computer. So how we use in computer, that is a part of graphics part. So transformation from 2D dimension to the 3 dimension. That is, the 2D dimension means which type of matrix we are convert? 2 by 2. And in 3D dimension, we are converted matrix in terms of
3 by 3.
3 by 3. So
3 by 3.
transformation from 2D to 3D means transformation from 2D 2 dimension to 3 dimension. That is one of application in matrices. Okay. So this is in computer graphics part. Okay, this is I think in ENTC and computer student and mechanical student. This three student we have see this computer graphics part in I think third year. Third year ला तुम्ही हा गोष्ट शिकणार आहे. Rather than this, Ritesh, please mute yourself. Okay.
Okay, sir.
बॅकग्राऊंडला ज्यांच्याकडे नॉईज आहे त्यांनी फक्त उत्तर म्हणजे जेव्हा क्वेश्चन असेल आणि तेव्हा उत्तर द्यायचं तेवढ्या पुरतं जरी तुम्ही तुमचं अनम्यूट केलं तरी चालेल, बाकीच्या वेळेस तुम्ही म्यूट ठेवा. देन इन क्रिप्टोग्राफी use this matrix cryptography. From 8th standard we have see that concept or जर तुम्ही कुठे जर कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह एक्झाम असेल पाहिली असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी पण हा पार्ट पॅटर्न तुम्हाला आला असेल. हा पॅटर्न कसा, जर ABCD हा जर PQRS असेल स्मॉल मध्ये तर EFGH काय असेल, EFGH काय असेल, हा पॅटर्न. दॅट इज द वन पार्ट ऑफ क्रिप्टोग्राफी. और अनदर पार्ट आय थिंक सो सगळ्यांकडे बँकेत अकाउंट आहे, आय थिंक सो. फ्रॉम 8th स्टँडर्ड यू आर कंपल्सरी अकाउंट आहे आपल्याकडे, असेल ना, मॅक्झिमम जणांकडे बँकेत अकाउंट असेल, नसेल तर ह्या वर्षी तुम्हाला काढावं लागेल. ओके, तर बँकेत जेव्हा अकाउंट असतं तेव्हा तुम्ही ट्रान्झॅक्शन करतात कुठले ना कुठे ट्रान्झॅक्शन, सोबत क्रेडिट करतात किंवा डेबिट करतात. दोन गोष्टी करू शकतात, एक म्हणजे क्रेडिट आणि दुसरं म्हणजे डेबिट. दोन्ही वेळेस तुम्हाला एक मेसेज येतो. सपोज माझा मोबाईल नंबर आहे 9860502876. तो माझा अकाउंट नंबर आहे. सपोज हा माझा अकाउंट नंबर आहे 9860502876. तुम्हाला मेसेज असतो सोबत क्रेडिट झाला डेबिट झालं. डेबिट झालं, you debited from your account number, you debited from 6,000 from account number 98 cross again cross 876. You debited 6,000 from account number, हा अकाउंट नंबर आहे. बरोबर आहे, अशा प्रकारे मेसेज येत असेल. बरोबर आहे का? अरे बरोबर आहे का?
येस.
हा, म्हणजे हे क्रॉस केलंय हे तुम्हाला दिसत नाहीये. मग बँकने काय केलं, त्याला डिक्रिप्ट केलंय, इनक्रिप्ट केलं त्याला. बँकने काय केलं, त्याला इनक्रिप्ट केलंय. मग त्याला डिक्रिप्ट करण्यासाठी तुम्हाला माहिती आहे डिक्रिप्ट कसं करायचं, पण एखादा हॅकर असतो तर हॅकर काय करतो, डिक्रिप्ट करण्यासाठी प्रायव्हेट की वापरतो, प्रायव्हेट. आणि ह्या प्रायव्हेट कीनी मला हा डिक्रिप्ट मेसेज होतो. म्हणजे पहा डिक्रिप्ट कसं केलं जातं. जस्ट डिक्रिप्ट असं केलं जातं. सपोज ABCD वॉटर मे बी अप टू Z, या A ला 1 2 3 4 अप टू 26, याला काहीतरी नंबर आहे. बरोबर आहे. मग मी डिक्रिप्ट करताना A चा मेसेज जो जातोय, मी आता असं लिहिलंय मीट मी ऍट युजल प्लेस ऍट समथिंग. तर मीट मी, या मीटला मी काहीतरी करणार EA 5. मीटला काय करणार XYYZ, म्हणजे ईला काय म्हटलं मी, वाय म्हटलंय, ईला काय म्हटलंय वाय. म्हणजे हा जो माझा पब्लिक की आहे तो माझा प्रायव्हेट की झाला. हा जो नंबर आहे दॅट इज अ प्रायव्हेट की. So how to find that private key? For ENTC student, that cryptography part is very important. For computer student, ENTC and mechanical student, the cryptography part is very important. In future, you have studied this cryptography part. Okay? मी जास्त पुढे डीप मध्ये जात नाही, कारण आपण डीप मध्ये गेलो तर आपल्याला हे लेक्चर याच्यामध्ये क्रिप्टोग्राफी मध्ये समजत आहे. So that is used in matrix. in matrix we have find that there are two type of key. One is a public, one is a private. Okay. आपल्याला decrypt करायचं. Decrypt करण्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल? एक key use करायचं. That key is in matrix. That key is in matrix. Okay. So these are the one of the application of matrix in cryptography part. Okay. So lot of application we have studied. Lot of application you have studied. Okay. Lot of application you have studied in different area. Okay. Rahul says that it is symbol. Pratik says linear transformation. Okay. Somebody says that something. Okay. Just I will read that message. Extremely sorry for the late message. Late reading. Okay. So we are just see that topic directly, matrix. Okay. In up to 12th standard, what you study in matrix up to 12th standard? तुम्ही आतापर्यंत matrix मध्ये काय काय शिकलाय? ते one by one can you explain me? Or
Transformations.
transformation? Okay, very good. Then
Inverse of a matrix.
Type.
just type of matrix. In the type of matrix we have see row matrix up to something higher matrix, symmetric or skew symmetric matrix, or singular or non-singular matrix. There are the 17 types. In that you will see the type of matrix. Okay. Other part? Yes.
Inverse of a matrix.
Huh?
Inverse of a matrix.
Okay. That is over. Okay. What about the other? How to find inverse of matrix and all this?
Inversion method and reduction method.
Inversion method and reduction method. Okay, very good. To find from system of equation, we have find inversion by inversion method. We have find something value of x, y, z. Okay, very good. Then from reduced, we have tried to convert
Application.
application. Very good. Okay.
Variables are set on the rows.
Okay, very good, Rahul. Okay, up to this. Anything else? Okay, up to this we have studied in 12th standard. Same part we are used here, same part. That part we have studied the basic part or initial part of this unit. Initial part. तुम्ही जे आतापर्यंत शिकलाय ते सगळं तुमच्या लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. Okay, so before you start the matrix, we have seen some basic concept, some prerequisite we need how to find determinant. That's very important. How to find determinant. So all of you know that how to find determinant? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me what is the determinant? Okay, just write down unit number 3rd matrix. Heading unit number 3rd matrix. Write down unit number 3rd matrix. Unit number 3rd matrix. Okay, in that write down on that page syllabus of the matrix. So these are the syllabus of matrix. Take the screenshot of this syllabus. Already we discussed. Just write down in rest of time. Okay. नंतर तुम्ही लिहिलं तर चालेल. Matrices, the definition of symmetric, skew symmetric, orthogonal matrix, rank of matrix, canonical form or normal form of matrix, system of simultaneous linear equation, homogeneous, non-homogeneous, independence, vector, Cayley-Hamilton theorem, inverse by Cayley-Hamilton theorem, eigenvalue, eigenvector, and their properties. Okay. So eigenvalue and eigenvector, these are topic we are discussed. So what is the application of this eigenvalue and eigenvector? They just take the screenshot of this. Huh? So this eigenvalue and eigenvector. Suppose you are consider in mobile phone.
Hello.
We are listen.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, madam.
Hello.
Yes, madam. Continue.
प्रीतम प्रीतम म्हणून कोण जॉईन झाले विचाराव.
प्रीतम काय नाव मॅडम?
पुढे प्रीतमच फक्त टाकलेलं आहे. मला प्रेझेंट इथे राईट करायची.
F30. What is your name? F30.
प्रीतम बुगडे सर.
प्रीतम
बुगडे.
What is your
बुगडे.
हा.
रोल नंबर
नाही मॅडम, परवा ऍडमिशन झालंय, रोल नंबर भेटला नाही.
ओके.
Kierkegaard and Sudarshan Gaikwad, please rename yourself, na? Kierkegaard and Sudarshan Gaikwad, please rename yourself.
ओके सर. थँक्यू सर.
Okay. F30. Who is the F30? F30. Okay. I saw your name. Okay, esteemed, sorry. Prathamesh, na? Okay, just saw.
sir. Prathamesh Gongde.
Okay, okay, very good. Sudarshan Gaikwad, what is your roll number? Every time I will ask, I forget that your roll number is. Yes, Sudarshan, what is your roll number? Sudarshan Gaikwad. Something 30 something, na?
Hello.
What is your roll number? Sudarshan Gaikwad, what is your roll number? You have 24. Okay. Anything else? कोणी राहिले का यातलं? Okay, let me start. Okay. So in mobile phone, we use FM. FM लावतो म्हणजे काय करतो आपण? FM लावतो म्हणजे काय करतो आपण? Yes.
नेटवर्क स्विच करतो.
We match a frequency. We match a
Frequency.
Suppose something a 91.1, something frequency like this. We match frequency, na? Frequency match करतो म्हणजे काय? In short, match frequency means we match a eigenvalue and eigenvector. We match a eigenvalue and eigenvector. So that is the application of this eigenvalue eigenvector in mobile phone. Okay. आपली जी स्क्रीन आहे, आपली जी मोबाईलची स्क्रीन आहे, that is one type of application of mathematics. ते ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन कसं असतं ते तुम्हाला नंतर ज्यावेळेस आपला टॉपिक होईल त्यावेळेस सांगाल समजून पुन्हा डीप मध्ये. मोबाईल फोन जो आहे तो कसा आपला ट्रान्सफॉर्म मॅथमॅटिक्स मध्ये होतो ते पण सांगेल तुम्हाला. ओके. सो okay, I noted that Sudarshan your roll number. Okay, so these are the first matrix and that is the syllabus of that matrices. So please note this or just take the screenshot of this matrices. Just take the screenshot of this matrices. घेतला screenshot. We move toward the next. Sorry. पाटोळे ना? पूनम पाटोळे ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. झालंय? We go to the next part. कुठे गेला रे? We just start, before we start our matrix topic, we just remind something or we recall some topic, determinant. So tell me what is determinant one by one. Or chart means chart window. Yes. What is determinant?
It is made to solve linear equations, area, volume.
Okay. What about other people? Okay, Preeti says the quantity obtained by the addition of product and element of matrix. Okay, Kenny says the element of square matrix. Atharva says that solution of square matrix. Okay. Anything? There are some quite difference between matrix and determinant. What is difference and all these things? We see the next slide. Determinant is nothing but just the arrangement of rows and column arrangement of rows and column written between two vertical line, but equal number of arrangement of rows and column. So arrangement of number in equal number of horizontal and vertical line. That horizontal line is called as row, and vertical line is called as
Column.
horizontal line is called as rows and vertical line is called as column. Okay. All of you know that this is a basic thing is determinant. What is determinant? The arrangement of number in equal number of horizontal and vertical line written between two vertical lines is called a determinant. Okay, just as simply we are write on the determinant is equal to what? In the form of like this, just a vertical line, two vertical line. In that we are write on a horizontal line, that is a row, and vertical line, that is a column. Vertical column and horizontal, it is nothing but row. Okay, this is nothing but determinant. This is nothing but a determinant. Yes, Atharva is right. Solution of a square matrix, element of square, Kenny is right. Element of a square matrix, but we cannot say the matrix, na? We just know the determinant. But just a quite difference. एकदम छोटासा डिफरन्स आहे डिटर्मिनंट आणि मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये. काय डिटर्मिनंट छोटा डिफरन्स आहे? मॅट्रिक्स काय असतं? रेक्टँग्युलर अरेंजमेंट असतं आणि डिटर्मिनंट काय असतं? वर्टिकल अरेंजमेंट असतं. आणि डिटर्मिनंट मध्ये नंबर ऑफ रोज अँड नंबर ऑफ कॉलम हे सेम असतात, पण मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये तसं काही नाहीये. इट इज अ डिफरंट ऑफ सेम. ओके, सो दिस इज नथिंग बट युअर मॅट्रिक्स अँड रूल्स. ओके, सो आता मी काही मॅट्रिक्स देतो, तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना काढता येईल, कॅल्क्युलेट करता येतील.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then in that, what is this AD is called as? What is this element AD is called as? It containing
Diagonal relations.
diagonal element. It contain, there are the two diagonal element. प्रत्येकाला दोन डायगोनल असतात. एक म्हणजे हा AD, म्हणजे हा कन्सिडर केला, हे एक डायगोनल असतं आणि हा एक डायगोनल असतो. पण हा जो डायगोनल असतो त्याला काय म्हणतात? मेन डायगोनल और प्रिन्सिपल डायगोनल. and that this diagonal is called as secondary diagonal. Okay, important thing is our main diagonal, principal diagonal. Secondary diagonal आपण जास्त यूज करत नाहीये. Main diagonal or principal diagonal we are use. Okay, so these are the term. So directly we go to the next part. Okay, this diagonal determinant is also denoted by delta D or determinant of A. This notation, delta D or determinant of A. These are the notation we are defined. Okay, so all of you know that how to find determinant. How to find determinant?
Yes, sir.
So tell me the answer privately. Okay, tell me the answer of this. Just chat me in privately. Okay, what is the answer? We are give the 1 minute. Within 1 minute, we are just solve this answer. What is the answer of this? And privately, tell me the answer. Huh? Yes. Okay. Kushi, please check your calculation. Atharva, please check your calculation. Rest of people are same. All right. Kushi and Atharva, please check your calculation. Rest of people are right. Rohini, Aditya, Krishna, Rutuja, then Amol, Arjun. Please check your calculation, Arjun. Sign will be wrong. Dipti, Ropalkar, you are right. Just Prajwal, check your calculation, Prajwal. Prajwal, check your calculation, Prajwal. Okay, Harshada right, Priti right, Rohit right. No, Rohit. Please check your calculation, Rohit. Your answer will. Sairaj, check your calculation. Answer wrong. Sairaj, Gujre. Arjun Patel, your answer is right. Yes, right. Okay. Prajwal Narute, please check your calculation. मी कोणाला कॅल्क्युलेशन चेक करायला त्यांनी चेक करा. खुशी अथर्व, check your calculation. Then Arjun Patel, check your calculation. Okay. Dattatreya right. Prathamesh Gongre right. Okay. Patil Pratiksha, please check your calculation. Answer will be wrong. Patil Pratiksha. डिटरमिनंट काढायचं आपल्याला, हे माहिती असलं पाहिजे तुम्हाला. Answer will be 124. Right answer will be 124. Answer will be 124. Wow. That's just a simple determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to 1 into product of these two. 2 into 6 minus 5 into 4. Minus 0 into, there is no need to calculate inside the bracket. Plus 6 into 7 into 4 minus 2 into 3. Just simplification, we got that 12 minus 20 minus 0 plus 6 into 28 minus 6. 12 minus 20 minus 8 plus 6 into, yes, 22 into 22. Just calculate. Minus 8 plus किती होतात?
132.
132 ना? We got the calculation 124. Determinant of E. Patil Vaishnavi, your answer is minus 124. How it is? We just calculate your check your calculation. Sonali Raut, check your calculation, minus 124. Jensa answer 40, 76 minus 124. Rather than this 124 आले ते check करा. Okay, I don't know how to you take that. Okay, मी just एक simple लिहितोय, जरी तुम्हाला माहित नसेल तर एक simple लिहितोय. A B C D E F G H I. So how to take determinant? It's very basic part that we know. Determinant of A is equal to A into minor of A. E F
अरे मी अभ्यास करायला लागले की ग.
minus B. Please mute yourself. Arjun, okay, very good. Then minus B, middle term minus B घेतो, त्याचं minor minus B into तो सोडून द्यायचा, म्हणजे फर्स्ट रो आणि सेकंड कॉलम सोडून द्यायचं, राहिलेली लिमिट लिहून टाकायची. D F G I आणि प्लस C इंटू C कुठं पोझिशन आहे, फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम, तो सोडून द्यायचा. तो काय DF GI. सिंपल. ओके, ज्यांचं चुकलं असेल त्यांनी क्लिअर करा. ओके, ज्यांचं चुकलं असेल त्यांनी क्लिअर करा. पुढचं देऊ, पुढचं एखादं एक्झाम्पल देऊ.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just solve this determinant. Now the second example. Find determinant 2 by 2. 5, 6 minus 2 minus 4. Third one. 1, 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 0, 2, 3. We'll find the determinant of this. Find determinant of this. Just chat main chat window. आदित्य, अमोल, प्लीज चेक युअर कॅल्क्युलेशन. आदित्य, काही करू नका रे मित्रांनो, काही नका करू. स्लोली स्लोली सायन्स चेक करा रे मित्रांनो. अमोल आणि आदित्य चेक कर. यश, आन्सर विल बी रॉंग. यश, प्लीज चेक युअर कॅल्क्युलेशन. यश, आदित्य आणि अमोल तिघांनी चेक करा तुमचे कॅल्क्युलेशन. रेस्ट ऑफ पीपल आर राईट. दीप्ती इज राईट. फर्स्ट आन्सर इज राईट. व्हॉट अबाउट द सेकंड? ओके, राईट. Okay. Kunal Korde, check your calculation. Kunal, very simple one. Where you miss the sign? Rohini, check your calculation. Rohini, for second one, check your calculation. Rohini. Okay, Vishal, right. Gauri, I think check your calculation. Om Gauri, check your calculation for the third example. Sign will be missing. I think so. Rohit, check your calculation. Rohit. Very simple for the second one. What about the second one? Just take the cross multiply. What is the cross multiply of this one? Is 5 into minus 4 minus 6 into minus 2. What is the answer? Minus 20. 6 into minus 2 minus 12. This minus become plus. कळलं तुम्ही चूक कुठे केली आहे? तुम्ही लिहिलंय 6 into 2 12 वजा 12 वजा 12 वजा 20 32 आन्सर काढलं काही नाही. पण ह्या ठिकाणी मला ते मायनस होतंय ना रे. सो व्हॉट इज द आन्सर? इज -8. म्हणजे इथं आन्सर होतं -20, इथं -12 होतंय आणि टोटल आन्सर इज ओके. चेक युअर कॅल्क्युलेशन.